I studied computer science and then data science after that in a postgrad at Wits University. My position here is a full stack engineer, so that would be the front end and the back end, and also the conversational bots that we build here. Having a native English speaker is actually useful to my company because I can help them word some of the language for the platform or for the chatbots to kind of better engage with the US audience. I guess arriving here at Masa made it pretty easy for me. They gave me accommodation for the first month while I was here, and then kind of my Madrid Elad gave me a lot of guidance as to how to find apartments and setting up my bank account. My visa was taken care of for me. You do feel a sense of home here, and that you can relate to the people, and that you're not feeling like you have to explain yourself to anyone. Taking this move for me would be firstly big on a personal level, so I was very excited to do that. It's not hard things to do, but when you finally do it, you feel like you're taking more control of your life.